help video for Access Chapter 1, Pause and Practice 2, beginning in Step 6. So on the left I have the instructions from my sim book. On the right I have the database with the employees table open in Datasheet view. So at this point we have the design done as far as we're going to do right now. So now we're going to put some records into the employee table. So we've set up, if you want to think of it as like the buckets that are going to hold the data, and now we're going to actually fill up those buckets. So a couple things. This asterisk, or it looks like a flash bulb going off, that means new record. So if you look down here, you can navigate to the new record with this arrowhead with the flash bulb, and then this goes to last record, next record, previous record, first record. So you can quickly navigate around here. So we're going to go ahead and start typing. Notice that the minute I start typing in a record, I have a pencil here. As long as that pencil remains, that record enters, edits, has not been written to the table. The minute I leave that record, go to the next row, this information will be saved. So when you're entering records, you don't have to save your file like you do in Design View. So to go from the employee ID to the first name, I'm going to hit the Tab key, Bob, Tab, Lingle, Tab, Cameron, Park, Tab, Chief Executive Officer. What do you notice about when I'm typing? Like I can't see it all. So we're going to try and fix that here in a second after I get this record in. Administration, Tab, Start date 1/1/2017, Tab, 15123. Now watch, I'm at the last field in that record and I still have my pencil. The minute I hit Tab, I go to record number 2, pencil's gone. That means that this information has been written to the table. So now what I want you to do so you're not so frustrated is, do you see this little box that's left of the first field and above the first row? That selects all of the fields. And then I want you to move between any of the fields and watch your mouse turn to a vertical bar with a horizontal with arrows, and just double click. It'll size these so they're a little bit bigger so that they fit the information, at least at this point. So now I'm going to start typing the rest of this. As long as you tab between, then you are okay. Once again, notice to the left of my row, I have a pencil. That means that this record, employee 102, has not been written to the table yet. What's her date? 1/1/17. And her base monthly sales 120. Once again, watch when I hit Tab, pencil's gone, these 2 records. All right, I'm going to take a minute and type the next 3 in and come back. Okay, so I have all 6 records entered, and if you notice that I still don't have enough, so I could size those again to I have no pencils, so that means all of these have been written. And what I wanted you to understand, I size these. This has nothing to do with the size of the field. It's only how it's being displayed. Making this change so we could see all of this doesn't affect the field sizes that we typed in for all of these. Those remain constant. Those are not changing based on what you do here. So we really don't need to save it because all of the records are saved. I'm going to close out of this, it's going to ask me if I want to change the layout. And that is the fact that I made these columns wider to fit the data. I can say yes, I can say no. It doesn't really matter here. I'll say yes, because then when I bring it up, it'll be wide enough. And that is, let's see, let's take this back. Double click the employees table to reopen, and we're there. So we're good. We can close that out. We can close that out. I would stay in this database to pick up with Pause and Practice number 3. All right, thank you.